Hello everyone, so I'm Stéphane from Demeter. So maybe before talking of this new fund, I will say a few words on Demeter, because if you missed some of our recent chapters, you may need some news. So as maybe most of you know, we acquired the Emertech team a few months ago, in fact end of 2016. In fact, fund management companies are companies like any others, believe it or not. But we need to grow, we can do merge, we can do build up, we can do innovation, and we can do sometimes also fundraising. So what we did end of 2016 was to work on the consolidation of our market, which is a truth too. Of course, this was a very friendly move for both teams. And a few months ago, in fact, last year, 2017, we did 99% of our homework to do this integration. And end of last year, the Emertech became Demeter Ventures. We moved our former Demeter Partners innovation team to Demeter Ventures, which is now our venture branch. Demeter Partners still managing growth and infrastructure funds. And with this Demeter brand umbrella, we are today 33 people managing 1 billion, from seed to venture to growth to infrastructure projects. So very various situations, from 500,000 investments to 30 million. And if you want to know more, our new website or email address for all the team is just here. So as Jan said, Paris is an innovation city, but not still an international city, as the press release was just in French. So I will just comment on this. Paris City announced a few weeks ago that they had chosen Demeter for managing Paris Green Fund, which is a growth fund to accelerate the ecological transition of Paris City, which is quite unusual as an announcement. So maybe it's worth some explanation. So in fact, this was a project launched by the city a few months ago, last summer. They launched officially the public tender end of October. It generates significant competition, but we were chosen end of December with a specification which were quite market practice, in fact. So this is really to launch a fund, a growth fund. I will comment on the investment strategy, but very market practice on all aspects. The big news being the support of the city with the 15 million euro check and the right to use the brand Paris, which is a very important strength for raising this new fund. What we will do with this fund, so first, as any management company will recommend to you, their objective was 150, so we said, okay, 200. They agreed, and we will take minority stakes in fast-growing SMEs, profitable SMEs on proven markets, proven techs, and so on. About 20 companies with unit investments from 5 to 15 million euros. But not only in Paris, of course. So companies coming from France, from the rest of Europe, and even from the rest of the world, if we find some interesting deals, which will probably happen. And of course, as we will benefit from this Paris budget for this fund, or at least for part of this fund, we will try to invest in companies with some interesting solutions for Paris and other large cities in the world. Still sticking to the specifications of the public tender, so we kept the strategy and the investments focus of the proposed fund by the city, which is quite smart, in fact. So with 6 main sectors, all of them dedicated to ecological transition for big cities like Paris, but also a few others in the world. This fund, sponsored by the city, is also quite interesting to implement what we do on all of our funds, which is ESG reporting on top of our financial reporting, but also include more deeply the stakeholders through, for example, the expertise of CarbonCat to evaluate the impact on the Paris territory, to do some crowdfunding if some entrepreneurs want to complete the round with crowdfunding investments, and last but not least, benefit from the Paris ecosystem to help the company grow here and elsewhere to implement their solutions. So you're welcome if you want to get more on this Paris Green Fund. Thanks a lot.
Okay. When do you think it will? You will have it raised? When is it first closing?
First closing at the latest in June, and again the brand Paris is quite an advantage for fundraising. I can tell you because we know fundraising also, and it makes a big difference. So it's an ongoing process.
Okay, super.
Thanks a lot.